Welcome back to the Fighting Knives YouTube channel. We've been blessed with a really beautiful day today, and last couple days we were given a chance to get some rain and get the ground nice and wet. So what I'm going to do is start my morning off on the tractor. We are going to push some more piles off of the property line area, get them separated, and get some of the trash out of it. I've only got so much time today to get what I want done, so I'm gonna have to segment it. So I'm gonna go do that for a few hours, and then right after that we're gonna get the a disc and a drag hooked up behind our tractor here, and go out there and try to throw some seed in some areas that we've got some dirt exposed where I had just cleaned up earlier this week. So let's get the tractor started. Let's get going. We're running out of time already. Listen to that day-dong purr. So GoPro's magnets are not really rated for a Kioti tractor. We gotta find something different. All right, so it took a little bit longer than I expected. We set aside an hour, or I set aside an hour, and once I hit that hour mark, I had just a little bit left to do. So we went ahead and took about another hour longer just to get that whole area cleaned up and get it 100% ready to go to the next phase. So we'll get the camera turned around and we'll get a look at what I did. Just on the other side of that tree is kind of the dividing line for that next 1 acre paddock. So we pushed everything up, and I kind of took those forks and just cleared what I could and just raked it out as I went. Rolled all that hard stuff and all that grass and everything that's all built up. Try to get all the dirt out, any large chunks like stumps, grabbed those and got them in our pile right over there. It seems to be getting bigger and bigger. One of these days when we get enough rain and they take the fire advisory out, we'll get that thing burnt. So right now we're going to set aside about another hour. Shouldn't take longer than that. It should only take about 30 minutes, but I'm going to set aside some time. We've got our Chapman bag spreader here, and I've got a I get zoomed in here, Davis feed and seed. It's a spring wildlife blend, and it's got a cowpea, sunflower, millet, soybean, buckwheat, sorghum. That's pretty much it, but 50-pound bag. I'm gonna try to put almost all of it out here in this area where that large pile was. It was all pushed up full of stumps and trash. Try to get all that out here spread, and whatever I got left over, I'm gonna go down this trail that I cut for Krissy, and I'll run it down that trail all the way down here towards the corner marker, and then we'll just keep on going, because on that back portion of the property is just really super loose sugar sand. So if we can get something growing there, those roots will help compact the dirt and make it a little bit easier. We'll just come back and mow over top of it. Boy, I'm tired. That 50 pounds, I think, covers a pretty good amount. I think if we had more of a square area, it'd be better to judge, but you saw how far down I went that direction on the property line. I could probably get one more 50-pound bag and do the remaining property line all the way back up to the front of the house, which we might do. Well, that was a real pain in the ass getting that thing on there. But let me give you a shot of what I'm talking about here. Our new special tool for next time we got something to seed, whether it be a field, food plot, running path, whatever it is. When we did our disc project, I added this D-ring right here on the back, and that's so that I could hook a drag up to it. Now, the last drag I had was borrowed from a buddy at work, Ian. It was a baseball field drag, which did really good, but it caught a lot of sticks and stuff inside of it because how small the chain link was. And really what I needed was something to just flatten that soil that's turned over. So we took a 8-foot fence post that used to be our gate post, and what I did was I chopped it down to 6 foot, put 2 eye bolts in it, and tied a rope to it. So we're going to set the discs up. I'm going to have the front straight. I'm going to have the back slightly aggressive to turn the soil, and then that drag fence post is going to come right behind it, flatten that stuff out, and hopefully give it some soil coverage, because if not, those crows that we got out here are just going to have a field day with it. All right, everybody, you saw me do some cleanup on our property line. We spread out some seed. We got our disc and our new I don't know, drag, I guess. Yeah, we got our disc and our brand new drag hooked up. You got to see that. I thank you very much for hanging out with me today and going along with us. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know down in the comments below if you got any questions or any comments you'd like to make, criticize. We'll take it all. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. We're going to try to do a little bit more of this kind of content here. Just coming along with me, and luckily enough, I was sure something was going to break today, but it did not. So nothing interesting. Everything went as planned. I fumbled through it, I should say, but everything went as planned. What we had to do was done. So again, thank you very much. Hit one of these videos up here, hit the subscribe button, or check out another one that we got, and we'll see you guys on the next one. From myself, my family, thank you very much for visiting the Fighting Ibis. Take care.